how to move layers up or down in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC220, but you can do the same 219, 218, etc. First thing to do, get the layers panel. So window and layers, you can see it there. Just go there and select a layer. Then go to the keyboard and go to Command if you're on a Mac, or that's CMD, or Control on a PC. And then go to the left bracket. You can find that about halfway up on the right side. So normally, depends on the keyboard, of course. So then with that selected, if you want to move it down, use the left square bracket. So the ellipse, which I've got currently selected, will move downwards. So you can see ellipse 2 moves down. Now it's just gone below the layer 4, so you can't see it now. And you can do that all the way down until you reach the background. Can't go below the background. Now if you want to go up again, still hold the Command key down. Best just hold that all the way down, and then right, the right square bracket, and then go up again. All the way up. If you want to go all the way top, and of course once you've reached the top, it won't go any further. It doesn't go around and then start from the bottom. Would be nice if it did. Now if you want to do like type, again you can use type, you can use shapes, and obviously before I just used shapes. So I'm just going to do it, hold down the Command again, and then go, if you want to move it down, hold down the left square bracket, and you can see that move down there. And now the type just goes below those layers, and you can see it just moving down. Or if you want to push it up, you can just do that. Hold down the right square bracket, and then push it all the way up to the top. So I can go to the other type as well. Again, to push it upwards, hold down the Command or Control, and then the right. So it's all moved up. Now you can also, what you can do, you can select that and that. However, just going to select those and then go, I want to go down, so I'm just going to use the left square bracket. So you can see you can actually move 3 as well, or 4. So it's not just, you can move 3 upwards as well. Exactly the same using the left square bracket or the right square bracket. Now, if you want to move them manually, you can also just simply just drag like that. Just drag it down. And you can see as you drag, a little blue line appears, and it will be dropped into that gap between obviously the top one and the bottom one. So you can release it then. So say you go that one, I'm just going to this one, ellipse 2, and I want to drag it below ellipse 1. So just drag that down. And again, you see that highlight in there. Now, it will be between ellipse 1 and layer 4 now. And again, if I wanted to say ellipse 1 and move it down below ellipse 2, you can see ellipse 2, ellipse, move there. Or if I want layer 4 to be above those, I can just drag that up. And again, you've got that blue line and it will be added there. So it's between that and that one. Now, the biggest issue, of course, is the background. If you want to make certain that you can move things around that, or that you want to move the background, what you can do is simply go there and click. So just click, and now it's unlocked. What you can do then is, you notice when you unlock it, when you turn the background into a normal layer, it goes layer 0. And then you can drag it below, and you'll see then as you drag below, you can move it below there. Though it didn't actually appear blue at that point. If I drag it up there, then you can see the blue. So you can move the layer 1 to above layer 0, and you can drag it there, and move it up. And you can move it up multiple or just a single step each time. And again, you can always go back to using the Command or Control to move it up or down, using the left or right. And that's it. A very quick guide to layers and moving them up and down in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Please subscribe to the Graphic Extra channel. Always adding new tutorials about Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer, and many, many others. Also, please add some comments. Always nice to hear what things I've done right, what things I've done wrong. Also, a dislike or like. Thank you much.